From a simple brass nut to a capillary fitting, or a shower power booster that improves water flow and pressure, Flowflex makes products which supports the plumbing and heating industry across the world. Flowflex manufactures the components that plumbers and builders like to work with. In its 60-year history, the company has seen huge changes in British manufacturing, and whilst it's true that over the last 30 years, much of this has moved overseas to China and the Far East, Flowflex remains a beacon of manufacturing in the UK. Terence Dickinson is the owner and chairman of the company. His belief in British quality has meant that Flowflex can hold its own in the face of foreign competition.
The UK has been the pioneer of engineering skills and assured quality. At Flowflex, we will continue that ethos, promoting quality and service to support our global strategy.
From its early days, the business took opportunities from mainland Europe, the Middle East, and further afield. As its reputation for quality and service became synonymous with its brand, over the years the company has also been able to adapt to changing requirements through innovation and through a service and logistics offering that is more responsive and more agile than the competition. Day after day, these machines produce the unseen components that join pipes together, keep water flowing to where it's needed and away from where it's not. Traditional brass work is one aspect of the business. So too is the latest in robotics. The result is a range of products that combine the best traditional manufacturing with a store of knowledge and expertise that informs innovative new products.
For over 60 years, the name of Flowflex has been synonymous with the manufacture and supply of high-quality fittings for use in all applications within the heating and plumbing trade. We are committed to manufacture the highest quality fittings.
Money spent on quality insulation is often money saved on maintenance costs down the line. For this reason, Flowflex have been part of the story for many of the world's most recognizable building projects. These iconic buildings define the cities in which they are built, what makes them actually work, what makes them worth being in. It comes down to whether or not they are enjoyable everyday experiences for the people that use them, and the plumbing in these prestigious landmark building projects is clearly key. Flowflex fittings have been specified on many projects across the city, including the Shard in London and the Eden project. Further afield, Flowflex supplied the products to the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the Doha Metro, and the 2022 World Cup project, amongst many others. So why is this British company the go-to manufacturer for all these flagship building projects?
Over the last 12 months, we have manufactured 30 million fittings. These fittings were supplied to some of our 3,425 customers, which are based in 45 countries over 5 continents. From our single 6-acre site, we are able to send out orders across the UK with next day delivery, and over during 2017 we dispatched over 80,000 boxes.
The company supports global specifiers and consultants with in-house technical design and support, advising clients on the best solutions for their needs and offering the capacity to design and manufacture millions of components to the specific requirements of a project. The result? Flowflex now supplies some of Europe's largest plumbing merchants, who in turn supply materials to the contracting industry. The Grafton Group, Wolseley, A.O. Johansson, and Screwfix are all major accounts whose customers fit Flowflex products in homes around the world. Distribution from a place in Dubai means that supply to the Middle East and Africa is more efficient from a factory in Buxton than a factory in China. Not only is it the offer of high British standards, but it also delivered before the competitions. Flowflex then has bucked the trend for manufacturing, leaving British shores, and by focusing on innovation, customer satisfaction, and driving forward innovation. This company has an enviable past that has given it a solid presence and one eye constantly on the future.